guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick flip through of a book, a flip book that I did from my friend Shara. She asked me to do a succulent swap, but this one kind of turned like deserty, like more desert cactus than like succulents. So oops, sorry girl, hope you don't mind. So this is the front. Of course I made it way too fat like usual. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Where's the camera? So I used this paper pad from Michael's, a hot buy. This gold foil though, until once I matted it on this and I had it closed like this, I didn't realize it was scratching the entire time just on a regular rubber mat. I was so irritated, but it was already glued on big time, so maybe it gives it a distressed look. I don't know if you could tell. Then I used my Silhouette Cameo and cut these little cactus shapes out in different colors, some thickers. This is when you open it up. Hello Pretty Girl, I cut this out with my Silhouette. Backed on some doilies, this trim from Michael's. Then this page, I just did this little, what's it called? Paper clip with a itty little tassel from Tuesday Morning and some washi, some stickers and sticky notes in there just with doilies in between to give it some dimension. Then this page, this page I made a little belly band, and this is the only page besides this guy right here that I sewed because it shows up on the back side. Like this is, I mean, I guess I could have did this and then matted the next page, but I had already matted everything. I was like, I'm not gonna be able to sew anything. So anyway, I just did a couple layers of paper and some washi and stitched it right there, if you can see, and a little like bow that I made. Then this is some, what's the word? Maggie Holmes dye, and I just cut whatever scraps I had left. I cut it with my flower punch thing that I bought, and not flower punch, die punch. Then this is a couple of Project Life cards, and I just stuck some stickers on it to make it look succulent-y. And it says mail tag, so I just did some washi and so it folds all the way out. So that goes there. I don't know if I want this on top or over. I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know, is she gonna not know that that's there? I don't know, we'll find out. Then this little, this is an envelope. So this is made of two like card envelope-y things that are left over from my wedding. They held the RSVP, the invitation, the directions card, and some other card, I don't remember. But this was like a mini RSVP envelope. And I just clipped some tags on here with the cactus paper clip from Hobby Lobby clearance. So there's some tags there, and then inside is some die cuts of cactus. Then this page, I got this idea from Veronica. She sent me a cactus Happy Mail, and she just took out the sticker sheet that was on acetate and just taped it down. So I was like, that's such a good idea, because it, you know, it doesn't make your album super thick and fat where you can't close it, but all the other junk that I added totally did. So then this page just got some goodies, and like I said, I backed it with, stuffed it with doilies. Some trim right here, a little love paper clip that I tried to string a bead on, but it like really warped the paper clip, so I won't be doing that again. But it's cute and it jingles, kinda. And then these, I don't know if you can tell, but it's all little magnets that I used to keep them closed, and then this has two magnets here which keeps it closed on one side because the other side is way too fat. I put way too much. Always, I don't even know why I try using magnets because it ends up way too fat. So let's open this. Did I go over this page? No. So this is just a sequins mix. I put in a little packet. I used my crocodile for the first time. I love that thing. These are clearance Michaels from last year, little succulent things. Getting to use my little liquid pearl dot thingies, liquid pearls. And then you really gotta like smash it shut. Like rolling a burrito, I guess. And then the very back, I got this clearance at Hobby Lobby like way before this whole clearance shenanigans started. But it came like this with this green and this little planter pot. Was I in frame? Probably not. Got this at Hobby Lobby. And I didn't realize it until I opened it to use it for this package that it comes out and it says today on it. But I was like, I wonder if that's a patch you can reuse. I'm not sure. Shara, I sewed this thing for you. Just kidding. But I used one of my little Made with Love by Craftforge. Shara also made me that in our last swap, so I've been using that on all of my projects lately, and I'm so stoked about that. See what I was talking about? If I sewed, it showed up on the back end. So that is that. Hope you guys enjoyed. All right, bye.